I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And you may have some history, but we don't have to repeat.
So we just came back from the gym. We did a lot of abs today. We didn't really do any cardio because it was hot and we didn't want to sweat because we're going shopping right after. So we just got, we just got to Jamba Juice. We just got some, what is this? Oh, watermelon. Yeah, and then I just got the Jamba ginger shot for digestive defense. How do you say digestive? Digest defense. But yeah, I don't know. And then I got digestive. I don't know. But I just got a soluble, which is coming right now, and I'll show you guys that when it gets here. Yeah, and then we're gonna go shopping. This is the soluble. What is this one? What is this one called? The nutty almond. No, yeah, nutty something. I'm gonna try it right now.
No.
Oh.
No.
It's good. Have you tried it before? Did you start? Oh my god, my stomach's gonna be like, I'm probably gonna want to yak watch. Ready? Wait, you're supposed to get out. Oh, look at baby sister got a new car. Cute. But my sister just got this new car. It's a what?
Pat Boone with your 50s on 5 Sirius XM. If you just have
Mercedes.
faith and
Oh, my lashes is. There it goes. I think I worked out too hard that it's falling off. Yeah. We're gonna head to the mall. Well, first we gotta drop off the Jamba Juice to my brother-in-law, and then we're gonna head to the mall and return some stuff, and then I want to see if I can get some more workout shoes. Hey guys, I'm just laying in bed right now, and I just got my mail. This is from Moralinas. I think that's how you pronounce it. But I just ordered this off Amazon about 2 days ago, and I just got this right now. So I opened the package and everything. I just wanted to show you guys what came inside of it. This is a poly nail gel. But yeah, this is what it looks like and what comes in it. This is soft pink. This is pearl pink, deep nude, clear, white, and then apricot. I'm so excited to try this because I always have a hard time with my acrylic nails on how to, like, you know, work with it before it actually like sets. So I'm so excited to try this. This actually does not set until, I believe, until you put it in the UV lamp. So I'm so excited to try it. I'm probably going to try the apricot or the deep nude first. I'm not really sure. I kind of want to try clear just to be safe, but we'll see. But it came with 7 poly nail gels and 7 different shades. And then it also comes with, let's just see, it comes with a free gift for you. If you use this, you'll probably get a dual form, a free one, I guess. Yeah. And then this is the, like, if you wanted to follow them on Instagram, YouTube, and stuff like that, I'm pretty sure it will show you on how to use this. Also comes with the instruction. So this one is just, it looks like, and then the instruction inside on how to use the polygels, which it looks pretty easy to me. So yeah, it also comes with, let's see, it comes with this, which is the base coat. So you apply this right before you apply the polygels, and then this one is the top coat. I'm so excited to see if this is really shiny, because you know, you want your nails to be super shiny and glossy. And then it comes with this, which is the, what is this called? Like the brush and applicator, or this is the brush side, and then this is the spatula side, which is more easier to squeeze the polygels out and then put it on this and apply it. So that's why you need a spatula. And then it comes with a nail filer. And then it comes with a dual form. So this is a plastic form system dual form. I don't know if you guys ever tried these. I've actually purchased something like this off Amazon, I want to say 2 years ago, and it does work really well. It's just kind of hard to you know, like put the certain amount of acrylic on there without it spilling over or overflowing to the side of your cuticle. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna open this for you guys so you guys can see. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Okay, I can. So this is the dual forms. I'm pretty sure it comes with, let's see, 12 different size. This is probably the largest size. So, oops. As you can tell, look at the dual form. I like the fact that it gives the numbers so you can see how long you want them. And look at this, that curve, like the C curve. Is it called the C curve? I don't even know. Oh my god, that would be so pretty. But yeah, those are the dual forms. The one I ordered off Amazon 2 years ago don't look like these. They're a little more straight and more like not so well made. But yeah, that's everything that came in this package. I believe it was around $42. I know for a fact it was less than 50 bucks, but yeah, I'm excited to try these. Let me just open one of them up for you. I already opened a few up, like I took off the thing on top of it, so let me just squeeze out a little so you guys can see. Wow, look at that. And you just use the spatula to scoop that out with. If I do decide to do a video on this product, I'm gonna link the video down below for you guys so I can show you how to do it. I'm pretty sure it's really simple because the instructions are super simple. So yeah, cuticle push back, file, apply the base coat. Yes, you're gonna need some kind of slip solution, which I've heard that a lot of people use rubbing alcohol. And then yep, looks pretty easy. So
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And you may have some history.
okay, hey guys, sorry, my hair and my face, everything's totally a mess. I did just get a package in. I didn't get a chance to open it because I had to rush here to pick up my kids from school, and I'm so excited to open it, but oh my god, I can't find anything to open it with. But I just ordered some sunglasses and glasses. Let me just turn off the car so I can use the keys. Yeah, I just ordered some glasses from is it Quay? That's how you pronounce it. But yeah, I'm super excited to see what I got. Okay, so everything just looks like this. So cute. Okay, so comes with return. Oh my god, this is so me. This color is so me. I love it. I'm so excited. If you know me, you know that this is like my favorite color to wear. As you can tell, my nails. Okay, so I ordered 2 glasses. This one here it's the Cafe Racer, so it looks just like this, and it's a sunglasses. What is this? Or maybe this is a cloth to clean it. But here, let's see. How do you open this one? Okay, so oh my god, this is so pretty. I really need a really good sunglasses because I be driving a lot now and it's like so bright outside. What do you guys think? I don't know. Is it cute? I really wanted really big ones so I can hide that I didn't do my brows or my makeup. But what do you guys think? Is it cute? I think it's okay. So I'm just gonna take this one off. Oh my god, the texture feels so nice. Like, I love the matte rim. Oh my god. Love it. Okay. Next one. This one is called A Stranger. I was super excited for this one. I was going on the website because I wanted to order this one, but then I seen this one and I was like more excited about this one than the other one. Okay, so, oops. So how do you take this off? And this one looks like this. What do you guys think? Is it cute? Oh my god, I love it. I actually really love it. I think it's so pretty. What do you guys think? Oh my god, I love wearing. It looks pretty clear. Super cute. I like it. Okay, I'm gonna open this bag for you guys. This one is called the Fox Fur Wristlet Clutch. So that's what it's called. And oh moly matrimony, I'm gonna love wearing this all the freaking time. Like, who's not gonna love this? I like adore this. Okay, the inside, super cute, just plain black, super roomy. Oh my god, I love it. So pretty. I'm so excited. I think I paid about $109 for all those 3. But I paid about, let's see, where's the receipt? I paid $39 for the Cafe Racer. The Fox Fur Wristlet Clutch was only $6 on sale, so super happy about that one. And then the Stranger, which was the pink one, was the most expensive. It was $55. The Cafe Racer was, I believe it was a lot too, but it was on sale. So yeah, that's everything I got. So hot. I'm gonna turn the car back on, so I will see you guys later. Bye.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one, No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my, I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And you may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my, I just need to clear my head. 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 I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my, I just need to clear my head. Oh, clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head.
Hey guys, so we just got done with the gym. We're gonna head to go get some food. We're thinking about eating some pho. I made the broth last night, so we're probably just gonna pick up the noodle and then head home and eat that. Oh my god, my hair underneath. No one knows.
I'm starving.
We are, we both are. We went really hard today, and what the fuck?
Ew.
Oh, whatever. Why'd you come this way?
I don't know. I
Yeah.
don't think correctly when I'm hungry or tired.
Seriously.
Or just on a regular basis.
Mhm.
There's so many people. Go
Right.
home.
We had a good workout. We went in the sauna. I needed to go in that sauna because my face is having an allergic reaction to, like, I think either my new cream, or I think it's the Mario Badescu lavender scent, the purple one. I think my face is having a reaction to it. So, I mean, I didn't spray it today, so hopefully, I mean, it feels a little bit better. So hopefully that's the problem, because I don't want it to be my night cream, because that was expensive. So, yeah. That was our workout. Hope you enjoyed. Bye, guys.
The heart.
Oh, it's a heart.